Hello there and welcome back to naturebasedpsychotherapy.ie. My name is Rory Osborne and I'm an accredited and experienced counsellor and psychotherapist. I'm also a trained couples therapist and an EMDR practitioner. In addition, I also provide both executive coaching and training to the corporate sector through my Wild Leadership program. This is the third video in the series that I'll be sharing with you over the coming weeks. And I've created this short video to help explain a little bit about how I work in nature under the Covid-19 restrictions. Don't forget to watch my previous videos and I hope you find this series informative and useful. If you find yourself curiously watching this video but living outside the Meath, Louth or Dublin areas, remember that I also offer online therapy sessions to both individuals and couples. Covid-19 has affected everyone I know, including myself. People are living through really challenging and unprecedented times. And most of the clients or couples that I see share that they're operating in a survival mode. They're trying to cope as best they can, but people can only cope for so long. How are you supporting yourself right now? What I notice is that people are going back to the old ways. They're returning to nature. It's one of the few places where people report feeling sort of held or safe. Now, I've been offering nature-based psychotherapy and counselling to individuals and couples since 2017, long before anyone heard of Covid-19. Every month, more research gets published outlining the emotional and physiological benefits of spending time in nature. People are tiring of the restrictions and are looking for something new. So if you live in the Meath, Louth or Dublin areas, then perhaps nature-based psychotherapy and counselling is something which could be supportive for you. In fact, I also work online using a blended form of nature-based work using Zoom. And you can learn more about that by visiting online-counselling.ie. So please take some time to browse through my site, where I hope you'll find an offering that resonates with you. If you feel that nature-based therapy is something that you're interested in, or if you'd like to learn more, you can visit the contact page on naturebasedpsychotherapy.ie to get in touch. I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video, and please keep a lookout for the next one in the series. And I look forward to perhaps seeing you soon, either around the fire or online.